What is the best age of retire? Research 2026 Prerna Benefit TV. Choosing the best age to retire is not a one size fits all decision, it's a deeply personal journey shaped by your finance, health goal, and lifestyle dreams. For decades, age 65 was considered the perfect time to step away from work. But today, that idea is rapidly changing. Some people aim to retire as early as their 50s to enjoy freedom, while others continue working into their 70s because they love what they do or want greater financial security. Each retirement age 62, 65, 67, or 70 comes with its own set of advantages and trades off. Retiring early gives you more timing but demands more savings. Retiring later can boost your income but may limit your active year. So, what truly is the best age of retire? In this video, we will break down every option step by step, helping you understand the pros, cons, and a smart strategy to choose the retirement age that fits your life perfectly. Retiring early at 62, freedom comes first. Retiring at 62 has become a popular dream, especially among those who value time over money. This is the earliest age you can start claiming Social Security benefits, making it tempting for money to leave work behind. The biggest advantage here is simple. You gain more years to enjoy life, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with family. Early retirement offers unmatched freedom. Plus, you are more likely to be in better health, allowing you to stay active and explore new experience. However, this freedom comes with serious financial challenge. Your social security benefits can be reduced by up to 30%, which means less monthly income for life. Also, since Medicare starts at 65, you will need to arrange your own health insurance, which can be expensive. On top of that, your saving must last 30-40 years or more. Without careful planning, early retirement can quickly turn into financial stress instead of freedom. Retirement at 65, the traditional balance point. As 65 has long been considered the sweet spot for retirement and for good reason. At this stage, many people have built solid saving while still being healthy enough to enjoy life. One of the biggest advantages in eligibility for Medicare, which significantly reduce healthcare concern and cost. This makes retiring at 65 for more practical compared to earlier ages. Financially, it's also a balanced option while social security benefits are slightly reduced if claiming before full retirement age 66/67. The reduction is not as drastic as at 62. You still get a reasonable income while gaining access to essential benefits. However, the downside is that you may have fewer years to enjoy retirement compared to early retires. Additionally, many workers experience burnout by this age, making those final working years challenging. Still, for many, 65 offers the perfect mix of financial security and personal freedom. Retirement at 67, full benefits smart move. Retiring at 67 is considered the full retirement age of for people born in 1960 or later. This is when you can claim 100% of your social security benefits without any reduction. From a financial perspective, this is one of the smartest choice. You have had more time to save, invest, and grow your retirement fund, which means less stress about running out of money later. Another advantage is stability. By this age, most people have cleared major financial responsibilities like loans or mortgage. This allow you to enter retirement with a stronger financial foundation. However, the trade-off is timing. You will have fewer years to enjoy retirement compared to someone who retired earlier. There also the possibility of declining health, which could limit your ability to fully enjoy your plans. Still, for those focused on maximizing benefits and minimizing risks, retiring at 67 is a solid and practical decision. Retiring at 70, maximum income, minimum regret. Delaying retirement until 70 can significantly increase your financial security. For every year you delay claiming Social Security after full retirement age, your benefits increase by about 8% up to 24% more at age 70. This means higher monthly income for the rest of your life, which can make a huge difference in long term financial comfort. Beyond money, continuing to work can also keep you mentally active, social engaged, and emotionally fulfilled. Many people find purpose and identity in their careers, and there are no rule that say you must stop working at a certain age. However, the downside is clear. You may have less time to enjoy retirement. Health risks also increase with age, which could limit your ability to travel or pursue physical demanding activities. Retiring at 70 is ideal for those who enjoy their work and want maximum financial stability. How to decide the best age for you? At the end of the day, the best retirement age depends entirely on your personal situation. There is no universal answer. You need to consider key factors like your saving, lifestyle goals, health condition, and risk tolerance. Ask yourself, do you value time or financial security more? Can your saving support a long retirement? Are you healthy enough to enjoy early freedom, or do you prefer stability? It's also important to understand how Social Security change with age. Claiming at 60 to reduce benefits while waiting until 70 increase them significantly. Many people today are also choosing phased retirement, working part-time, freelancing, or starting a second career instead of stopping completely. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes retirement happens earlier than planned due to health or personal reason.